Hey everybody, just want to welcome you to Module 4 for ME83, Computational Mechanical Engineering. So within this fourth module, let's take a look at our topics. The first big topic here we're going to be looking at is your lab number 3, and this is your mesh dependence lab. Now you'll be submitting this assignment, same as your first two assignments, through Blackboard. So lab 3 has been posted up on Blackboard, and this will be due on Sunday the 20th by the end of the day. Just a reminder, I do have my office hours scheduled on Wednesdays from 9:30 a.m. until 10:30 a.m. If you're not able to make it through this time, please send me an email or a message through Teams. So within this module 4, you'll be completing your lab number 3, mesh dependence. So within this assignment, a cantilever beam geometry will be created in a SolidWorks simulation. Now with this, a variety of mesh densities will be generated and evaluated for a set of boundary conditions. Now the max von Mises stress will be monitored to characterize the model's dependence on mesh size. So again, when you finish your final report, you're going to either do one Word document or one PDF file, and this will be submitted as a deliverable for this assignment for lab number 3. Now just a side note here, after the maximum stress no longer changes even though you keep doing further grid refinement. So if you keep going with further grid refinement and you notice that the max stress no longer changes, then the solution is said to be grid insensitive. And this will be helpful as you're answering the questions for this lab number 3. So objectives within this module 4, lab 3, you'll be completing lab number 3, looking at the cantilever beam. I ask you to please go ahead and review the grading rubric for this lab. Then you'll be generating the report, and again, this will either be in Word or PDF format. Answer those questions at the end, and then submit the assignment through Blackboard, just like your previous assignments. For your required readings and viewings, please read through the materials provided in this module, and also review the materials in previous modules as well. So looking at our schedule for the semester, you can see we are now down in our module number 4. We can see this spans 2 weeks now. The week starting on the 7th and week starting on the 14th, and we'll be covering mesh dependency as the material for this module 4. Now your assignment here is that lab number 3, and that is going to be your deliverable as well, due on Sunday at the end of the day on the 20th of February.